Quiet confidence is rarely recognized. It does not announce itself. It does not demand attention. It does not compete for validation. And because of that, it is often misunderstood. Many people associate confidence with visibility. They expect loud voices, strong opinions, constant self-expression. Quiet confidence looks nothing like that. Quietly confident people do not rush to prove themselves. They do not overexplain. They do not interrupt to be noticed. They do not react to every challenge. They remain composed. This calm is often mistaken for insecurity. Silence is misread as hesitation. Restraint is confused with weakness. But psychology suggests the opposite. Quiet confidence comes from internal stability. It is built through self-trust, through emotional regulation, through experience that no longer needs validation. When confidence is internal, it does not need witnesses. Quietly confident people are comfortable not being the center of attention. They listen more than they speak. They observe before they act. They choose their moments carefully. Their presence is steady, not performative. This often unsettles others, because quiet confidence does not respond to comparison. It does not compete. It does not defend itself. It does not chase recognition. And that makes it difficult to measure. Psychologically, quiet confidence signals maturity. It reflects a nervous system that is regulated. It shows a mind that is not easily shaken. It reflects self-worth that is not dependent on approval. Quiet confidence also sets boundaries naturally. There is no need to announce limits. No need to explain standards. Behavior speaks instead. This is why quietly confident people are often underestimated, until consistency reveals them, until calm outlasts chaos, until presence speaks louder than words. Quiet confidence is not passive. It is selective. It knows when to speak. It knows when to leave. It knows when silence is enough. If you feel no urge to compete, if you no longer need to explain yourself, if calm feels more natural than proving, you are not shrinking. You are grounded. In a world that rewards noise, quiet confidence is easily overlooked, but it is rarely broken.